All right, so in this video, we're going to be practicing creating amounts of money, but also using dollar bills. Okay, so the first amount of money that we're going to create is $2.33. There are lots of different ways that you could represent this amount of money using dollar bills, coins, a combination of them. So I'm going to show you a couple of them because in the next couple of in the next slide, you are going to have to create your amount of money that I've given you to already do, and one of them is going to have to be with the least number of bills and coins. So this first one is $2.33. So I have $2, and then I'm going to do 33 with 3 dimes and 3 pennies. Okay, so there's $2.33 represented. Now, I could also do $1, and then I could do 4 quarters, because 4 quarters also equals $1. And then I could do, if I wanted to do dime or nickels instead of dimes, I could do 6 nickels, and then I would still need to do 3 pennies. Okay, that's just another way that we could represent. So there's different ways. This is just 2 different ways to represent this amount of money. I'm going to try to show you one more. Let me move these a little bit closer. Okay, so they're all moved closer. I'm going to do this again. $2.33. I'm going to do $1, but then I'm going to do 2 quarters, and then I'm going to do 4 dimes, and 2 nickels. Then I need to represent 33 cents. I'm going to do 1 dime, 2 dimes, that's 10, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. So this is 3 different representations of what $2.33 can look like. But this one has the least, this first representation has the least number of bills and coins possible. I have 2 bills, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 coins. This last representation has $1 bill, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 coins. So this one has a lot more coins than this one does. And on the next slide, you're going to have to represent these dollar amounts, whichever way you want. And then the second way, you're going to have to use the least number of bills and coins combined. And so like this first one would be a good representation of that. This last one or this middle one could have been one that I just did any other way. Okay, so you're going to practice that in the next slide.